So after you've posted your screencast for students to view, you can now post just a simple pulse check to make sure students actually watched it. So you go to add materials. I would just do a simple test or quiz. So add test quiz, and you can just call it pulse check for video or on video, whatever. And then just click create here. And your first question can just be true, false. I watched the video, you can say the title of the video, in its entirety. True or false? And the correct answer is supposed to be true, so click create. And then the next question can be it may have more than 2 questions, but I just think it's simple. This is just a simple way to start. It can be a short answer. And you just say, I have these questions or comments after watching the video. And that gives them a place for them to ask questions or make comments, and just click create question. And then, check your settings, be sure your submissions are enabled when you are ready for them to submit, and you can, check these however you want them to be. Save those changes. And then the student will have the option, after they watch the video, then the next day or that same day, they need to answer this 2-question quiz just to make sure that they have watched it prior to the conference. So if you give them this in advance of the conference, then you can have time to look through their questions and be more prepared for your live conference to answer the questions that students may have.